Hello, I'm Pinat.
Hi, my name is Karima.
Hello, my name is Alden.
Hi, my name is Azim.
I'm Nazrul Hizami. We are from Group 7 and today we are going to present about our project and enjoy.
A random variable is a variable taking on numerical values determined by the outcome of a random phenomenon.
For discrete random variable is a random variable that have countable numbers and usually a positive integers.
These are the examples of discrete random variables.
So for our experiment for discrete random variable, we will be determine the probability of getting consonant in a box by repeating the same experiment for 35 times.
As for the experiment, 10 letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, O are written on pieces of paper and kept in a box. A piece of paper is taken out of the box and placed back inside after. We repeated the experiment 35 times to determine the probability of getting a consonant.
These are the results of our experiment.
So, for the theoretical values, which we already calculated, for the number of trials is 35 and the probability of success is 6 over 10. Probability of failure is 4 over 10. As for the mean, is equals to 21. Variance equals to 8.4. Standard deviation equal to 2.9. And for the experimental values, which consists of 35 trials, the probability of success is equals to 0.676, and for the failure is equals to 0.324. For the mean, 23.66. For the variance, 7.666. For the standard deviation is equals to 2.769.
This is our binomial distribution graph. The probability of getting a consonant is 0.676.
Why is the theoretical mean different from the actual mean? This is because experimental probability measures the ratio of outcome versus attempt, while theoretical probability measures the favorable or wanted outcome versus the possible outcome. Therefore, as the probability of success changes, so does the mean.
Continuous random variable is a random variable that doesn't have integers but lie on an interval. For our continuous random variable, we will be conduct a survey to determine how many hours in a day does students studying.
These are the results of our survey. We found that 20 students study between 2 to 3 hours a day, and only 2 out of 44 students study for 10 to 11 hours and 8 to 9 hours a day.
For the calculation part, these are the formula that we use. As for the result, we got 44 for n, 4.182 for mean, 9.079 for variance, and 3.013 for standard deviation.
This is our normal distribution graph. Our mean is 4.182 and our standard deviation is 3.013. For the first graph, the probability of students that study for less than an hour is 0.1454. For the second graph, The probability of students that study between 2 to 5 hours is 0.3725. And lastly, the third graph. The probability of students that study for more than 6 hours is 0.2731.
Is the distribution widely spread or narrowly spread? The height and width of the graph is affected by standard deviation. However, the position of graph does not change. The larger the standard deviation value, the larger the dispersion of the normal distribution from the mean value. The height of the graph increases when the standard deviation value decreases, if mean is kept constant. Since our standard deviation is relatively low, our normal distribution graph is not widely spread.